Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining me in this video. My name is Shruti Vashisht, and on this channel we speak all about manifestation and conscious creation. So somebody recently spoke to me about manifesting a specific person, that they have the specific person in their life, someone that they know. I think it's an ex of theirs, and they want to know, how do I know, because I've been doing some manifestation practices and meditations and stuff, how do I know that they're about to contact me? And so I thought I'd make a few videos on specific people, on specific, I've been speaking on my channel so far when it comes to relationships about manifesting your soulmate. So whether that's through a relationship that you already have or a new person, you can use those videos for that purpose. But I thought it might be a good idea also to make these videos on manifesting specific people, because different elements come in then. This can be an ex of yours that you had before and you had a certain dynamic with them, and there's certain beliefs that you have about this person, or you've seen them in your reality somehow. Maybe it's somebody you work with, you go to dance class with them or whatever it might be. And so it's somebody that's already in your reality, or you know them. So it can be sometimes harder for us to believe that this person's going to show up in my life in a brand new way, in a way that I want, in perhaps a romantic way. So how is it, in this video I'm going to be speaking about how is it that you know that my specific person is about to contact me. And I will be making another video about contacting, about how to make someone contact you. So I'll put that up here when it's made. But so how do you know that your specific person is almost about to contact you? So I'm going to speak about that, but before I do, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this subject and you want to hear things like this. Below this video you can check out links to work with me at a private level through Zoom and Skype. I can accelerate your manifestation. I can help you to do that, especially to bring you to a level where they are fulfilling manifestations, where they fulfill you at a soul level as well, and not only at a physical level. Then I have a course called Manifest Soulmate Relationships, which goes so in depth. It goes through all of the different things that you need in order to manifest any kind of person, whether it's a specific person or a new relationship. So how do you know when someone is about to contact you, and when perhaps if you've been manifesting this, that it's successful? And the way that you know is that, first of all, it'll just be a sense. It'll be a sense of like this knowing that they are about to contact me. You'll be very grounded every time that you think about this person and you think that, I'm going to be in touch with them. It won't leave you wanting. It won't leave you in a state of lack. It won't leave you in a state of anxiety or stress or wondering, is this person going to contact me or not? If it's a curiosity type of a thing where you're wondering and it's more curious and playful, that's still okay. That's a different feeling, because you're curious about something coming into your life. You're open to life surprising you. But often what happens is, when we are not fully present in that belief, we haven't grounded that proper belief that this person, this desire that I have is mine and it's going to show up in my life. When that hasn't properly landed, then we get agitated every time we think about the person, or we wonder if they're going to contact us. So the sign that you know that this person is going to contact you is that you are relaxed about it. And you just feel that, yes, of course, why wouldn't they contact me? It's not a cocky feeling, but it's this feeling of course, I'm a wonderful person. I have all of these qualities. I bring all of this to the table, and they know about me, so why wouldn't they? And I've been doing these manifestation practices, and I have this desire, and I know for a fact that whatever I claim within, if I have a desire, it's pure. First of all, it came through something higher than me, so it's pure desire. And just the fact that I have this desire means that it already exists. That relationship already exists. All I have to do is know it, and of course it'll show up in my outer reality. So of course this person, and the other thing to know is, a lot of the time when you are thinking about contacting a certain person, you're thinking about being with the other person, or you're getting all of those nice juicy feelings, a lot of the time when that is in a playful manner and not a needing manner, but it's like you're relaxed and present in your body. You have this confidence that even if, this person, I don't have this person in my life, but I have so many opportunities. And so you're not in a feeling of lack, when you can be really honest with yourself and you know that. Then what happens is that usually we're feeling these feelings, and usually that other person might be in that space as well. There's a high chance of that, because we are telepathic beings as well, and we feel it in the body. How life and energy works through us, how consciousness works through us. And even if it's not the case that this person is not meant for us, usually it in the process we actually manifest something that is even more aligned for us, and we're happy to just let this other thing go that we were sort of that was our focus before, because we feel that, oh, I needed to see this focus before, but now that I'm so grounded in it, now that I know I can have it anytime that I want, it's not a big deal. Maybe there's something else that's better. Let's look at other options. Kind of like when you go to a candy store and let's say you couldn't afford ice cream for the longest time, and you really wanted this one flavor, whichever, like vanilla or whatever. And finally you can afford it, like this premium ice cream, and you go to the store and you're like, I can have this anytime that I want. Now I can afford this, so let me try out perhaps like I'd never even considered this before, because I never thought that I was capable of even being able to have this ice cream. But now that I can have it, I didn't even consider before that there's all these other flavors. So sometimes we land in that space as well. So that's why manifesting a specific person, it might not be such a bad thing, as long as you're not hooked and stuck on just that one thing and your life depends on it, which of course comes from a feeling of lack, of neediness. So again, going back to the subject, how you know that your specific person is about to contact you is that you are your whole body is relaxed, and it's in a state of knowing, it's in a state of juiciness, and you can feel your own delicious sort of nature, and you just know you're worthy. And your person is about to contact you. Why wouldn't they contact you? You can feel it. Then the other second thing, how you know that your person is about to contact you, often we get a lot of synchronicities before something is about to land. So the process that leads up to us feeling a desire and claiming that desire, and that desire actually manifesting, the process between that, usually there's synchronicities, especially they accelerate right before the actual manifestation. And these synchronicities can be anything really, anything that represents love to you. So if from this person what you desire, this person that you want them to contact you, if what you desire is romance, let's say, or whatever kind of connection you desire with them, you will be seeing reflections of that in your outer reality. So it might be that if it's romance, it could be things like just the connection that other people have with each other. You might be feeling more love around you. Like when people speak to each other, let's say strangers are being really nice to each other, and you're feeling that deep love and care. If that is what you desire from this person you are manifesting, if what you're manifesting predominantly you're in that juicy, like magnetics, like feeling sexy about it state, then you might be seeing more of that happening in your reality. And even other people might be coming up to you and feeling that magnetism of yours that you're holding, because you're in that energy and it's circulating in your own body. So it'll be all around you. It could be other people that you're observing who have that connection, whether that's romantic, sexual, whatever it is, whatever kind of connection, creative. For me, often I start seeing these very creative relationships, co-creative relationships, because that's something that I deeply resonate with. So it could be that, or it could be these symbols as well, like rings or whatever, because they symbolize like union, and it could even be just you feeling this sense of love when you go out into nature. So it could be something more abstract like that as well, but it'll just be this feeling of that love is inside me and all around me. So whatever that means to you, whatever the idea of love is to you, whatever that symbolizes, you'll be seeing that in your reality. So when that is happening and it's kind of non-stop, like usually before the manifestation these things come non-stop. Like I often, before a relationship lands or something, or a relationship moves into a deeper level, or something surprising, magical is about to happen, I will see something like a rainbow, because rainbows sort of symbolize that love to me. There'll be everything I'll be seeing two of, you know, like two butterflies flying together or two pigeons chasing each other, just the number two sometimes. So it will be very personalized to you. Synchronicity has its own language with us, but it'll be a deep feeling of just knowing that love is within me, all around me. I am juicy, I am magnetic. Of course this person is about to contact me, why wouldn't they? I am so worthy of this, and I know that it's here for me because it's my desire. It's inside me, so it's outside me too. It's just a matter of time. Okay, so I hope that this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if this is happening in your life or what's going on. And check out, I'll link some other videos up there that are sort of related. I'm creating a few videos around specific people now. Maybe I'll create a playlist on manifesting a specific person. So in that case, I'll link it up here too, and you can find it on my channel when it's made. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you got some wisdom today, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next video.